My name is Jeff Brekke, and I'm the co-owner at LLoyd's Auto Restorations. When prepping a car for a show, obviously the undercarriage and all the details that are hard to get to on the show field are done back at home or done at the home base before the show. And then when you get to the show field, the top surfaces and things that are readily available are taken care of there. You get to the show field, you get your car positioned, and you start with what I always do is the interior. Start with all the interior things first, and cleanliness is the most important thing that a judge is looking at. Cleanliness shows that the owner cares about his vehicle. Getting it up high enough that you can get underneath it, obviously do all the checks on the car mechanically so you know that it's going to be good enough to work and run. Then the cleanliness part of it means you're wiping down everything underneath the car. Floorboards, wheel wells, the back side of wheels, the back side of tires are prepped and put some sort of a cleaner or prep on them if you want. So all that is taken care of on the bottom.